Hey guys, so I just got done volunteering, but now I am going to, surprise, Kung Fu Noodle with my mom. So guys, I am trying to revamp my YouTube channel and do a little bit more exciting things. So I just got done making my end card, which I'm going to test that out on this video here. Okay, so it's a little bit windy out, but I'm headed to the mailbox to see if I got any of my makeup packages, and I am hopefully going to show you guys what I got in there. Beautiful out today, and it seems like no one is out today at all. Like, it's not too hot, not too cold. Well, it's summer in Texas, so I would hope it's not cold. But, yeah, not too many people are outside. It's a shame. So, hey guys. I am currently waiting in the parking lot of my job because I don't clock in until 7:45, and it is 7:05 right now. It's a little bit cloudy outside, but I am headed to lunch right now. I just placed my order at Wingstop. I'm super excited to eat Wingstop. I haven't eaten it in a while, but that's what I'm getting for lunch. And they're not quite open because, again, I'm on lunch at 10:45 in the morning, so I have to wait about 15 minutes in order for them to open, but that's okay because their time to make it is about 18 minutes, so I'm okay with that.